So I'm going to take one of these boxes from Dollar Tree and I'm going to open it up and I'm going to use the bottom part of the box and I'm going to take the ribbon out because this one's not gonna let it level up. So I'm going to just go ahead and remove that from the box. Then I'm going to take some floral foam. I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it until I do the whole thing. Once I do the whole thing, I'm going to attach it to the top of the box like that. And then I'm going to take some hot glue and put it in the box and attach it on top as well. Make sure to put it off and hold it into place so it can hold in place. Then I'm going to take some flour and place it inside like that. I'm going to take a toothpick, put it inside your flowers, and then I'm going to attach it to the floral foam like that. So you're going to continue doing that until you do all the flower all the way around. And put a few little ones as well. Then I took some floral foam and I'm going to put it inside the box. Just go ahead and attach it. Then go ahead and take your flowers. I'm going to put a few pieces all the way around like that, and then I put a little branch in the middle as well. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out so simple, so easy that you guys can do at home. This could be so cute for a birthday party or a baby shower. You could put a little teddy bear on top as well. I'm just giving you a different idea that you guys can do. Now for the next DIY, we're gonna do something a little different. So I'm going to take one of these balloon stick and spray paint it in gold. Then after I spray paint it in gold, I'm going to measure it just to make sure that it doesn't be at taller. So I want to make it a little bit smaller, all the way almost reaching to the box like that, or to the leaf of the flower. Then I took my clear balloons. I'm just going to stretch it out. These balloons, you need to stretch it out before you blow them out so it can come out good. Then after I stretch it out, I'm going to take my air balloon pump and I'm going to put some air in my balloon. Just fill it up and do whatever size you would like. You could do smaller or a little bit bigger. It's up to you which way you like it. Then after that, go ahead and take your clear balloon and place it on top. You could also put a flower in the middle of the balloon as well. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. It's so simple that you guys can do. You can also put a flower in the middle of the clear balloon. It's up to you. I'm giving you different ideas so you guys can do it at home that are simple and easy for you guys to decorate your party decorations, birthday or baby shower, whatever you're doing. Now for the next DIY, we are going to do something similar to this one, but instead of the clear balloon, we're going to put a white balloon. So just go ahead and tie your balloon down, put it in your stick, and just this time I'm going to attach it to be like right shoulder, just like that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. You can also leave it without the balloon, just without anything, and just leave it as this box as well. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these candle holder. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it, and I'm going to attach to the floral foam that I already had in the box. So just go ahead and attach it into place, and then go ahead and take your flowers and place it inside like that. Just take a longer stick and then just fill it up like that. Then after you do that, I'm gonna put a little bit more white, whatever color of the flower that you're doing. Then go ahead and put some hot glue on your candle holder and then put this glass on top, and then you're going to take a candle and place it inside. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So cute and simple that you guys can do at home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this DIY.